Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of creating a realistic talking AI avatar using the Edimakor. Let's get started. First, visit the Edimakor website or launch the software. Click on AI avatar to start a new project. Then, browse through the Edimakor's collection of AI avatars. Select the characters that fit your brand, style, or theme. You can type or paste the text that you want the avatar to say. Also, you can choose the language, the voice tone, or the speech speed for a natural delivery. You can also adjust the facial expression and lip sync settings by modifying the background, text styles, and effects to personalize your video. Then after that, click Generate to let your Edimakor process the AI animation, preview the video, and export it with high resolution once you're satisfied. And bonus features, you can add caption, transition, and effects for a professional touch in order to enhance your video. Enhance the engagement with AI voiceover and background music. And that's it. You've created a talking AI avatar in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.